Welcome to this Rise Tek tutorial. Rise Tek Incorporated is an authorized Hans laser dealer. This video covers Hans LaserNest part list functions, step by step. Part list functions. Click the delete icon at the top of the left side part list to delete the current part, selected parts, or all parts. Click the selection icon to select all, select none, or reverse the selection. Click the sorting icon to sort parts according to different rules. Click the part display icon to show parts as a list or as a tree structure. Click the quantity modification icon to batch modify part quantities. If the part quantity exceeds the limit, choose automatic number of completions.